मोदी के ज़ेरे असर भारतीय इंतखाबी निज़ाम अपोजिशन लीडर के हाथों बेनकाब हो गया। राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि मोदी ने इक़्तिदार पर कब्जा करने के लिए इंतखाबात में बदतरीन धांधली करवाई। मोदी सरकार ने लोकसभा इंतखाबात में 100 नशिस्तों पर धांधली करवाई।
Detail we've gone into, and you will see with no doubt, zero doubt, how a Lok Sabha election is stolen. 6.5 lakh voters vote, 1.5 lakh voters are fake. It's on paper. Documentation that we got from the Election Commission. You will see the shockwave that is going to go through the electoral system when we release this data. It's literally like an atom bomb. Because the truth, my friends, is that the election system in India is already dead. Please remember one thing. The Prime Minister of India is the Prime Minister of India with a very slim majority. If 10, 15 seats were rigged, and we suspect actually the number is much closer to 70, 80, 100. If 15 seats were rigged, he would not be the Prime Minister of India. And we are going to prove to you without any doubt in the coming few days how a Lok Sabha election can be rigged and was rigged. So it's very clear that the institution that holds this, that protects this, that defends this has been obliterated and taken